Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday, and my garden, I'm not showing you. My plants are not too happy. Look at these boxes. I did this late last night because I opened my garage and my house is just like boxes everywhere. I need to take those to the front. But look what I had in the boxes. I'm like, I have trees. I have a lemon, an orange, and I forget what else we have. Lemon, orange, and do I have another orange? I think I bought 2 oranges. And listen to these birds. These birds in Texas where I live, oh my goodness, they are just incredible. All right, goodbye. I miss my Colorado people so much. I'm so glad I can still connect with everybody here. I love you. We'll chat more, and can't wait to show you my first fruits from my trees. Peace out.